Hello, my name is Bill and welcome to Mind Your Crypto. Today we have BCH Bitcoin Cash Daily Update. I'm going to show you the next price targets and of course we are going to see what we need to get into an impulsive wave mode. Before we begin, do not forget to join our monthly subscription, Patreon/Mind Your Crypto. You will find the link in the description box and in the comment section down below. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Let's start right now with the price action. So you can see BCH went insane, crazy pump, plus 22% in just one day right here. It went all the way up, didn't actually expect this pump, to be honest with you, but right now we formed a little here, a very huge bearish candlestick followed by a -3% until now. Now what is next? Are we so bearish as we think we are, or maybe it is going to get a little bit more of a buying pressure? Let's find out. Going to BCH against Bitcoin chart. Right here, BCH against Bitcoin chart, unfortunately, is on a very huge risk right here. And I will go to the weekly frame. I'm not going to stay on the daily frame. I'm going to stick in the weekly frame. And as you can see, after the 3rd May 2021, things are going, actually not 3rd May, 10 May 2021, things are going worse and worse for BCH against Bitcoin chart, not even trying to get above the 20-day moving average in the weekly frame. This is an insane drop of around, let's see, from here to there, 82%. Okay, and we need to see now, is it the time to go even higher? Is this the time that BCH can start moving even higher? Let's find out. First of all, we need to close above this line right here. Okay, this is the line, the 20-day MA. We keep finding sell pressure after sell pressure all day long, and you can see, despite the fact that we formed here weekly bullish RSI divergence, might be minimal, but it is very important because it is on the weekly frame and it is a bullish RSI divergence, clear higher low, lower high right here. We had a pump, but eventually we cannot move above the weekly frame. Now, what is the case? Is BCH against Bitcoin chart going to correct even more? Probably it is the case. Right now, I'm expecting BCH against Bitcoin chart fall all the way down right here into the next support levels. The first one will be this line right there. Okay, the 0.206004. Maybe we go again to retest the previous high we had, and then I do not think that this is over. Personally, I think that we are going to go and grow even more, but I'm just stating the support levels because BCH actually has left me a trauma right here, because I thought that it was going bullish pretty sooner, and then it had a correction going on against Bitcoin chart. This led to a more correction for BCH against USDT as well, along with the crash that Bitcoin had. Anyway, the support levels are more likely to come off right now. Daily RSI, look at that. Okay, very huge overbought with the commodity channel index as well. I'm not saying that BCH is going to outperform Bitcoin. Thus, we had a huge, actually not a huge correction, small correction, but significant, -3.42% until now. Now for BCH against USDT chart, what is the case and what we need to hold? The first support level that we are going to test pretty soon enough is the 143.5, around this area. If I move the logarithmic scale off, we have already touched the 0.382. So I would say that this whole area is a good support level into where BCH is right now. If it loses this support level area, then it goes down all the way into the below 139. So closing below in the 4-hour frame right here will get us all the way to the 139 and even further down. I suggest you to be a little bit careful, as BCH against Bitcoin chart is not looking good and BTC is actually not bullish yet. Okay, we cannot say for sure. This is almost a certain thing that BTC is bullish right now. We need more confirmation on the daily frame, and things can go turn down pretty quickly, and I need you to be careful on that. So I would just stay away from any long positions, including BCH right now, which had a very nice run, but unfortunately the case right now is that we are going to go further down. Now, equally with the BCH, there come some other altcoins right there, and this is the reason that I suggest you to stay away a little bit from altcoins and trading right now, especially in this weekend, because things are going to get less volatile and actually more sideways, in which we do not know exactly what BTC is going to do. But anyway, I think that most probable scenario is BTC to correct, unfortunately. If we pump though, might be the case that BCH won't pump the same as BTC. Okay, so do not expect a major pump if BTC pumps even. So let's say that BTC pumps a nice 5% around here. Okay, BCH will equally pump a nice, let's say from starting point right there, a nice 3%, 2% or so, because BCH is going to correct against Bitcoin. This is the reason why it's going to go down. Okay, so expect a further correction going on, and if we pump, do not expect a huge pump for now, at least until BCH against Bitcoin chart is ready to pump again. But seeing the daily frame right here, every time we have gone above the 50-day MA in this zone, it was a selling opportunity for BCH against Bitcoin chart. Unfortunately, was a nice decisive pump right here though. I really hope that BCH could turn out to be in an impulsive wave on the weekly frame and close above this line right here. Really hope so. Let's see the case. For now, I'm expecting more a correction than a pump. Thank you so much for watching. Have a fantastic day. Do not forget to join our monthly subscription and see you soon with many more videos. Bye.